In this quick video, I'll show you how to create Google Drive link to share files in laptop. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So to create a shareable folder, firstly we need to tap on new. Once you tap on it, then click on new folder and this pop-up will open. Here name your folder, I'll name it ABC. Then tap on create. Here you can see my folder has been created. We can add anything to it by simply tapping on it and then again tap on new and click on file upload and select the files which you want to upload in your folder. I'll simply select this file and then tap on open. So I have added a file in my folder. So to share this whole folder, firstly we need to go back from here and then tap on the three dots which are available on the right side of your folder. Tap on it, then go to share and then click on share in order to share your folder. Then this window will open. Here you can see general access which is set as restricted. We can change it by clicking on it and this new option will open here which is anyone with the link. So if anyone has your folder link, then they can view your folder. You can change the role of that as well. For that, tap on viewer and then you will see multiple roles here. Viewer can view your files and commenter can comment on it. Editor can organize, add and edit files. They can also share your files. So I'll just select here editor, and once you done that, now just tap on copy link and share it with anyone. If I paste it here, then whoever has this link can access the folder and download it as well. I can paste it on my new tab as well. So this is how you can share your link with anyone. But if you want to share your link with a particular person or a specific person, then for that just change your general access to restricted and enter the Gmail address where you want to share your folder. I'll just type it here and then select the Gmail address. You can add multiple email addresses here as well. And once you select your Gmail address, you can simply type here any message. If you want to, you can change the role from here as well and just tap on send, and the person you sended an invitation will receive this kind of email on their Gmail inbox. I'll simply open it and as you can see, this is the invitation. I just need to tap on open in order to accept the invitation, and there you go, this is the folder. I can access it from my different account. Now if I was a big help, can you please subscribe my channel? I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.